Imagine being an MTN user, but you could not send text messages or make calls to anybody that is using Airtel or using Glo simply because they are not using the same MTN with you. Or let's say, for instance, you own an email address on a platform like Google Mail, but you cannot send mails to anybody that is using Hotmail or using Yahoo Mail simply because they are not using the same Google Mail with you. This was how the blockchain initially functioned. Bitcoin blockchain could not communicate with Ethereum blockchain unless when it has to do with itself. And this is a great limitation in the Web3 space. This is why there has to be interoperability in the Web3 space. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing about Web3 interoperability. And at the end of this video, you'll understand what interoperability is all about, its importance, and platforms that aids it on the Web3 space. And we are currently on a 30 days journey of diving into the world of Web3. Today is day 9. So if you have missed our previous videos, make sure you check the playlist that this video is attached to so that you go and watch from the beginning of the class. Then you now come and join us here on day 9 on Web3 interoperability. In the early stages of the blockchain, blockchains could not communicate with each other, and this is where interoperability comes in. It uses bridges, cross-chain protocols, and standards to allow the blockchains to communicate with each other, access better liquidity, and enjoy seamless Web3 experience. There are several platforms that aid interoperability in this Web3 space, but there are 3 major ones that are taking the lead when it comes to getting the job done. The first one is Polkadot, the second is Cosmos, and the third one is Chainlink. So these are the 3 basic ones. If you want to understand more on how these 3 works, you can still make further research to get this. But for this video, let us stick with the basics. There are 2 major challenges interoperability faces. Now, while cross-chain bridging is very powerful, it still faces the issue of security, as in your transactions could get intercepted or you could even lose your coins while cross-chain bridging. While the second one is high gas fees. You all should have experienced this. If you're sending from Solana to Solana, for instance, the gas fees are considerably low, but when you are cross-chain bridging, transferring from a blockchain to another, you are going to pay a high amount of gas fees. And this will discourage a lot of people. But still, cross-chain bridging is possible. And as the Web3 keeps developing, we hope to see better improvements. But at the end of the day, when interacting on the Web3 space, users don't have to worry about which blockchains they are on because they can now easily communicate with other blockchains regardless of what they are on. And that is basically all there is to it on today's video. In my next video, we are going to be talking about Web3 gaming. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video. And I want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment in the comment section and use the link in the description box of this video to join my Telegram channel to stay in touch for updates.